Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the value. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel dedicated to coin collecting and numismatics. Today, we're focusing on a specific coin that many collectors and casual finders alike may come across: the 1986 United States quarter dollar, often referred to as the America Liberty coin. In this video, we'll discuss why this particular quarter is so widely available, what its value is in today's market, especially for those in older circulated conditions, and tips for collectors. Let's dive right in. The 1986 quarter dollar is part of the Washington quarter series, which has been in circulation since 1932. This particular design, featuring George Washington on the front and a striking bald eagle on the back, was created by John Flanagan. It's a design that many of us recognize and cherish. This quarter is composed of 91.67% copper and 8.33% nickel, weighing 5.67 grams and measuring 24.26 millimeters in diameter. One of the interesting aspects of this coin is its minting location. The absence of a mint mark signifies that it was produced at the Philadelphia Mint, which is where the majority of circulating coins in the US are made. Now let's talk about availability. The 1986 quarter is one of the most common coins you'll encounter if you've been collecting or simply looking through old change. Of it's highly likely you've come across one of these quarters. Their high availability stems from their production numbers. Millions of these coins were minted and released into circulation. In fact, according to the U.S. Mint, approximately 1.8 billion quarters were minted in 1986, which contributes to their prevalence today. This accessibility makes them an excellent choice for new collectors looking to build their collections without breaking the. When evaluating the value of the 1986 quarter, condition is key. The grading system for coins ranges from good to mint state. A good coin will show significant wear, while a fine or very fine coin will have more defined details. On the other hand, uncirculated coins are in pristine condition and look as if they just left the mint. So what's the market value for the 1986 quarter without a mint mark? In circulated condition, you're generally looking at face value 25 cents. However, uncirculated coins can command higher prices, typically ranging from $1 to $3. For high-grade examples, such as those graded at MS-65 or better, the value can reach about $5. Additionally, if you come across a proof coin minted in San Francisco, those can be worth between $3 and $10, depending on their condition and demand.